Okay guys, so let's start our third row. I have 1, 2. This is the third row. So again, as we start the previous row, again, where I am, I didn't do anything. Let's just make my 3 chains as a double crochet, and then my double crochet inside my space to do my trick and to do half of the corner. Okay? So this row will be all solid, and how to do it, it's really easy actually. So I need to do a double crochet in each chain that I have from the previous row. So I'm gonna yarn over, and see this one, this base, it's above these three chains from the previous row. I'm gonna go in here and make my double crochet. So this is the first double crochet in the row itself, not the space. And then the second one, which is this double crochet. Okay, I have the stitch here. It's a little bit like deviated from the back loop somehow. So look at it, just take these 2 loops together, make this baby small front one and the large back one, and here we go. So I have my second double crochet in this row. I have double crochet above the 3 chains, and I have my double crochet above the second double crochet, and this is the corner. Okay, so as I told you, this will be increased. So this was increased in the previous row, now it's a part of the row. Okay, the increase is just these 2 here. Okay, so next I have my square. I have my chain 1 space here, so I'm gonna go inside the space. Okay, I'm gonna go inside the space, that's the easy part, and do a double crochet to complete this part. So I have chain 1 from the previous row, above it 1 double crochet, and this space here is the chain or the stitch for the double crochet from the previous row. I'm gonna yarn over and make a double crochet above it or in it. Here we go. And again, I have another space. I'm gonna go in and make a double crochet. Okay, I have my increase or my corner from the previous row. I have 1. Okay, and I have another double crochet, go in and make my double crochet. So now I finished my row itself, all the spaces, and I am at the corner now. And at the corner, as usual, as always, 2 double crochet, chain 2, and 2 double crochet. Okay, here we go. Really easy. Let's repeat. So I finished my corner. Now, time to make my double crochet. The stitch, double crochet. Okay, another one. That was the increase or the corner from the previous row. Okay, let me bring some yarn here. Okay, and again I have the space, the first space, double crochet. Okay, double crochet from the previous row, above it, another double crochet. Each stitch I'm gonna make a double crochet. Have the space, I have double crochet. The space or the square, okay? And I have 2 double crochets here, so I'm gonna make 1 above each one. I have 1 and 2. Okay, and now I am at the corner. Here we go. This is the corner. I'm gonna go as usual. Cool. Okay. As usual, I'm gonna make 1, make 2, double crochet, chain 2, and again inside the corner, 2 double crochet. Okay. Here we go. I am on the third part. Okay, I have a stitch here, it's hidden. Gonna make a double crochet. Next one, above the 2 double crochet from the corner from the previous row, and now I have space. I'm gonna go in, make my double crochet inside, and then I have my double crochet. Okay, here we go. I have my space in here. I'm gonna go in, and then I'm gonna have my 2 double crochet from the corner from the previous row. I'm gonna go make 1, 2 double crochet above it. Okay, now I am at the third corner. Again, as usual, 2 double crochet, 1, 2, and chain 2, and again, 1, 2, inside the same space or inside a corner. Okay, now the last one, as you can see, the square begins to be a little bit bigger, a little bit obvious, a little bit beautiful. Here we go. Again, go above this from the previous row. We have 1, I have above 2. Okay, so I have space here, so I have 1. Okay, double crochet, have another space or square, another 2 double crochet, 1 and 2. So now I finished that part, and now I am at the corner, the last one, and we finished half of it. And now it's time to do the 2 double crochet and the 2 chains to connect. 1, 2. I have my other 2 double crochets here, and my 3 chains I have 1, 2, and in the third one I'm gonna go and like slip stitch. Here we go. Okay, so this is the third row. Magic ring, first solid one from 4 like as a cross, 3 double crochet, the square row, and the solid row. The solid all double crochet. So this is the third one. So now we're gonna go to the fourth one and show you how to make a square. So I finished solid, now it's time to do a square or spaces like this one here. It'll be more obvious, of course, as we continue working. So the next row will be squares, it'll be more obvious, so let's go to it.